All right, so here's our 1-3 notes on displaying quantitative data using dot plots. So again, quantitative data, now we're looking at more numerical data. All right, there are 3 objectives, so I'll make 3 short videos about this lesson. All right, so what is a dot plot? Well, a dot plot just shows each value as a dot on a number line. So down here, this is your variable heading, and then you have your number line that represents all the different values that your variable can take on. Sometimes they're by counting by ones like this one is. They can be counting by halves. They can be counted by tens. It just depends on what your data looks like. And again, each dot, same size, just goes vertical above that number. Okay, so our first example here, it says, which cars guzzle gas? The Environmental Protection Agency, or the EPA, is in charge of determining and reporting fuel economy ratings for cars. Here are the EPA estimates of highway gas mileage in miles per gallon for a sample of 21 model year 2014 mid-size cars and the dot plot of these data. So here's all the raw data, and over here, this is the dot plot. A, explain what the dot above 38 represents. Okay, so the dot above 38 is right here. So again, this dot plot is counting by fives. So we're assuming that that is a 38. So again, if you look at the table here, this model car has a highway gas mileage of 38 miles per gallon. So that's what this 38 represents. It represents the Hyundai Elantra, which has a gas mileage of 38. So the Hyundai Elantra with a highway gas mileage of 38 miles per gallon. So I'm going to put the Hyundai Elantra, and we're going to say highway gas mileage of 38 miles per gallon. Something like that. Okay. All right, next one. It says, what percent of the car models in the sample get more than 35 miles per gallon? So here is your 35. So more than would be all the dots this way. So I count 1, 2. There are 3 dots to the right of 35. So that means your total is, I'm sorry, your number of cars that have more than 35 is 3. You're going to divide that by the total of cars. There are 21 total cars here. You could also count the number of dots, but that takes too long. Okay. And then again, to get a percentage, we're going to multiply that by 100. So let me go into Desmos graphing calculator and show you this. All right, this is going to go away. Sorry. So in my graphing calculator, we're going to go 3 divided by 21. Click the over button times 100. And there's my percent. We'll go to 1 decimal. So 14.28. The 8 makes the 2 become a 3. 14.3%. So what percent of cars? 14.3%. Excellent. Okay. There is the first objective covered.